How to record a meeting in Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to record a meeting in Google Meet, you'll need to buy the premium. It is not possible to record a meeting if you don't have the premium Google Meet. However, to record, you'll need to go to the Google Meet and then you can see the three dots and you can see record option at the top if you have the premium Google Meet. For now it is unavailable for me. Or another option is you can go to the meeting tools and there too you can find the record option. However, you'll need to buy the premium through Google Workspace. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.